This is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation and French translation videos here on YouTube. Yes, French pronunciation videos, and we are looking at how to translate and how to say, how to pronounce with the typical French pronunciation, the number 2 in French. So in French, number 2 translates into deux, D-E-U-X, but the X at the end of deux is definitely silent, so it comes down to the sound deux. Deux voitures. Two cars, deux voitures. Two horses, deux chevaux. Deux chevaux. You remember that car that's called deux chevaux? Two horses, deux chevaux from Citroën. Deux. This was the translation of number 2 in French. Deux. Deux. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye-bye.